How to create an Outlook email account. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So I'm going to quickly show you how to create a free Outlook email account. Let's begin. First, you need to open your web browser and then type in outlook.com. Now on the Outlook website, click on the sign in icons. If you do not have an account yet, you can go ahead and create a new one by clicking on create account button. And on the next screen, click on get a new email address. Outlook lets you choose between an Outlook or Hotmail account. You can select your preferred email extension from your drop-down menu. And now type in your desired email address. And if the name is already taken, you will see an error message. Try something unique. Now you can create a strong password. You can reveal the password you're typing by clicking on the eye icon and then select your country and date of birth. The country should already be set, so just enter your birth date. Then next, click on continue. Microsoft will present a challenge to verify that you're human. You'll likely see a different challenge, so complete it to verify. And this is the final step. Now you will see Outlook opening. This is what it looks like. So that's it for this video. This is how you can go ahead and create an Outlook email account. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.